Hey, I'm Patrick McCombe from Fine Home Building. I'm here at Huber's Prove It Tour demonstration. It's a hands-on look at their products. They're going to show me around inside. Let's take a tour. So inside here they have a demonstration of the zip systems, and you can see the details for how to make it work in corners and around pipes, and if you want to, you can try wrapping this PVC pipe. And they got some water features over here to show how it sheds water. So on this side of the demonstration they have the Advantech subflooring section. Here shows what subflooring looks like after being in this tank since February. Ordinary OSB is swelled to about that much. The Advantech, it still looks pretty rock solid. So here's a demonstration on the various properties of subfloor. You can tell that when you add a single bead of their Advantech construction adhesive, it really stiffens up this floor. That was really interesting. You can check out where the Prove It Tour is going to be next on Instagram at Huber Wood. You can also check out the Fine Home Building podcast on iTunes, YouTube, or finehomebuilding.com/podcast. Thanks for looking at this.